Hi everyone, Mike Luzer here. So for another little comparison, SMALLRIG versus YC ONION. I pay for these products myself. It's not a sponsor video. There are two products not quite similar. There are two types of mounts. Also, it's not powered the same. The YC ONION, it's by NPF batteries, and the SMALLRIG, it's by V-mount batteries. More professional, it can last longer. In my opinion, I think it's better with the V-mount. So with the SMALLRIG, it's more compact and it's all the ecosystem, you know. You have all the products, the little arms, and you have all the mounting points too, with the handles, and the handle with the remote control, wireless. You can control it, very smooth, very nice. Also, that's more secure with the little arm. It's up to you if you want to put it or not. It's more secure if you want to put it outside of a car or in a Jeep. The possibilities are endless, but it's more secure with the SMALLRIG. The YC ONION doesn't have secure points, so more secure, more professional, with all the accessories, you know, made for the DJI RS2 or RS3. Alright, you can upgrade later if you want. So you have more power than the little handle with the DJI RS2. If you hold it like this, you feel the weight of the gimbal on your arms and your shoulders. More comfortable like this. You can hold it more time. You don't feel much the weight. That's nice, and it's more compact. So if you want to film on the ground, you know, you can put it like this, and with the remote up to the sky.
To infinity and beyond!
That's a great configuration if you are a run and gun. Alright, I bought the YC ONION first, and it was great to put it on the slider, you know, on the tripod. Very quick with the Arca Swiss type mount. If you don't have V-mount and if you don't want to use it, you can just purchase this adapter with the NPF batteries. It's all good. It's up to you. If you don't film outside on the car or in the Jeep, it's a great product too. Here you have it, little setup. You can mount it like this, or you can put it the handle on the top as you want. It's great. A downside, you can't swap the batteries in the middle of the shooting, you have to stop. That's a little down, but that's okay. If you shoot very short time, you can put the little ones, and if you know it's gonna last all day, you can put the big ones. It's secure for this type of shoot, run and gun. The YC Onion, it's more like for tripods with Arca Swiss type, very quick, very fast, and if you want to change and put it on the slider, you can too. That's why it's more quick for this type of shooting. It's up to you. Alright, tell me in the comments which one you prefer. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Until then, don't forget to enjoy. You don't feel YC Onion? Alright.